Good afternoon, everyone. Esteemed investors, gamers, and crypto enthusiasts, welcome to this keynote session dedicated specifically how Web3 redefining the complete era of payments. So the complete keynote session is centered around how traditional finance is now taken care of by the cool cousin DeFi, and the payments is most important stack in this Web3 industry. We will explore like the things around payments and gamify industry. Here are a few stats which blow our mind, and why not? As we saw a journey of a couple of games like Axie Infinity, blown our minds. A couple of investment already has infused in this. 3 billion plus gamers globally, 200 billion plus total addressable market, and here says like 7 hours plus average play time. And one more amazing facts, like if I talk about the influencers of or the market of Asia only, 1.48 billion gamers are there, and which is covering almost 52% revenue of the entire Web3 gaming markets. So the facts are really clear and shows like, okay, this is not only accepting in such a way, the payments and Web3 gamings are evolving day by day. Few of things which shows like, I believe collaboration is the key to sustain for a longer run, and yes, multiple platforms coexist to deliver service together. So here are different layers which we observe, and assets, services, infrastructure, how marketplace, CBDCs, NFTs and banking lending protocols are coming together basically to do something wonder in this industry. And why not? Because for sustain, you have to collaborate with multiple partners, multiple vendors to go for a longer run. So, couple of things which definitely impact whether we talk about the payments part or whether we talk about the traditional services, which definitely says like equities, debt, and commodities. Further, there are a layer of services like marketplace and exchanges, different payment networks, whether on ramp and off ramp, and different payment modules, specifically for the new, we can say how the gaming industry is changing complete landscape, because as we saw, a couple of games have multiple and thousands of users. And yes, of course, this adventure, have some pros and cons, obviously, and challenges. So the complete Web3 game is, placing and creating a different landscape basically. There are multiple opportunities earning, because yes, in-house and in game there are different type of revenues, whether it is reward and different kind of revenues which reward with a particular opportunity, whether you can get multiple rewards, stake, and different features. And yes, ease of modifications, because I believe like a bulky game which is difficult to access on multiple large storage computers, you can just opt and adapt URL and access by your just a browser extension. So yes, again, ease of modification is there, and I believe interoperability is one of the main factor which it's a reunion basically. So how different kind of blockchain have different features, and you can opt to interoperability feature, so you can interact, and yes, it's the one of the best method to encash the community. Again, there are challenges, because adventures come with different things, with the benefits and with the challenges also. There are not sustainable model right away, which we can say, okay, this is the model which you can encash specifically if I opt, and completely if I promote anything, let's assume a Web3 shifting to complete Web2 to Web3. So different sustainable models are not there yet, and it's a requirement for the complete and current market. Different scandals and hacks, yes, obviously slow down the complete pace of Web3, as we saw a couple of scams happening in the past, which definitely impact the complete market. Plus, it shows, okay, what we have to do and what we have to not. Again, different payment methods, because I believe there are different judiciaries, there are compliances and different, roadblockers still. So we have to, figure out, and a couple of players are already in the market which are, doing good. I believe payment will be the largest use case and stack in Web3. And mobile first gaming, because we are here to use ease of modifications, and yes, where a user specifically feel, okay, yes, I have just a single click and access a different gaming or different any product. So one of the example, like by just a DApp URL, we can access it anywhere, where we can just have to connect our wallet, like different MetaMask Trust or whatever the wallet or the extensions are. So user perspective, there are different challenges. We believe crypto is just not a tech fancy word. I believe yes, crypto will stay, and mark my words, it's just for good reasons, because we are here to simplify a couple of things, changing the norms, like how crypto and digital assets completely changing the entire industry and thinking perspectives. So yeah, it's programmable money, instantly available. We can access it anywhere through wallet and apps, owned and secure. Yeah, there is ownership word which definitely impacting a user rights, and user can feel, okay, I have this kind of things with my wallet and this ownership belongs to me. And we are in the world where blockchain giving a sense of transparency and trust. So CBDC and further particular things which definitely create sense to different judiciaries, regulators, and different decisions maker. Yeah, we should unnecessary not to create barriers for these new technologies. This is really important, like how Web3 changing things in payments. I believe stock to flow ratio is one of the biggest part, where it shows, okay, like what is the current supply? Like let's assume the Bitcoin, the stock to flow ratio is how we can assume like the current supply and how much is about to be produced in future. So we have seen multiple kind of things in multiple assets like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, and so on. Fractionalization is one of the important part, like how a normal fiat is not to be divided into certain things, but in terms of, if we talk about the digital assets, here are the opportunity to divide into further parts where a user can avail a different fractions. Borderless and inclusive, yes. So goodbye to slow transactions, specifically like if we talk about the borderless transactions. So Bitcoin and digital assets and particular couple of payments, specifically in this Web3 space, are here to say goodbye to slow transactions, instant and accessible. As we know, like we are here and we are from this industry, is and couple of digital assets I believe you guys are already holding, and it's easy to access. You can have ownership, you can use your assets by your own decisions and microtransactions, as we believe smaller transactions only placed in this industry. We are here to see a different kind of utility and use cases where a smaller transactions plays an important role. So payments in Web3 specifically have a bigger role. Here we talk how Nordek is changing the things. I believe consensus, mechanism, hold. People need actual products which actually do changes in their life, the same way we want to try to achieve with the Nordek. It's a blockchain ecosystem specifically dedicated to payment and gamify industry, based on EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, a layer 2. Some of key highlights here, like what we have done so far in this 9th month of journey. Like we launched our mainnet in 2023 March, and as I spoke about, like it's an EVM Ethereum based virtual machine layer 2 solution. Zero gas fee protocol is the second part, which it's basically in, a mechanism in ecosystem where we till 2 million transactions will say, okay, like okay, you have a capability, you have an opportunity to run your project, to run your couple of things in zero gas fee protocol, where you don't have to spend on native asset. delegate proof of stake, and DPoS, a couple of things which we already part of ecosystem, different payment stack and all. More than 200k users are already there on and rapidly growing. 30 plus ecosystem partners, which is now yet so till date is 84. So couple of partners are from different niche, like some are from KYC payments, some are from NFT metaverse. So it's I believe technology, Bitcoin cannot do wonders alone. It's all about community and people. These are some stats, what we have done specifically in terms of growth last, according to the platform wise, more than 6 plus dApps has been built so far on Nordek, including payment stacks. 5 plus centralized exchanges are there, which the native asset is trading there. 65 plus ecosystem partner, 2 decentralized exchange listing, 36 plus time in 6 location. We have done specific events and some partnerships, collaboration with different judiciaries and companies, including Miami, Monaco, and all. One launchpad we have, and a recent, remarkable success was one product has raised almost 1.5 million on the launchpad itself. In terms of numbers, more than 500k plus mainnet transaction yet so far, 6x NRK price, because as I spoke about, like we have touched all-time high, and on which price we have launched. 88 validators are running fine, 2.2 million US dollar per day volume, which shows okay, there is a stability plus demand in the market, plus more community is going day by day. These are our partners. As I spoke, like we believe like collaboration is the key for the success, and couple of partners you have seen on screen, like the different gaming partners. Some partners are into specific into blockchain segment, where improving tech infrastructure, and yes, some are into centralized exchanges, some are into payments partner. I believe this will definitely enhance the complete ecosystem. Now I'll talk about the couple of products which is the part of Nordek ecosystem, NordPay, NordFlix, NordSwap. And if I talk about the specifically for the Game Hub is designed such a way where we can say it's a play store for Web3 games, like how we have Play Store for different Android apps like Google Apps. It will be a Play Store and a big hub for Web3 games. We already have collaborated with multiple game studios and ventures which are building on Nordek blockchain, and exclusively, will give an opportunity to interoperability of different community which definitely use the blockchain and complete ecosystem. One of the finest product in payment stack is a NordPay. We have a booth here just behind this wall, and you can see like Nordek is like proud to be a ecosystem product NordPay. We are complete changing the names, so we believe whatever you can do with your money, you can do with digital assets. So there is no barrier between fiat and digital assets. You can use your cryptos easily and wherever you want, whether you are about to use virtually and you are about to use physical, like withdrawing money from cash. Some of the facts here, like how NordPay is changing the life. So we are partnered with Visa and MasterCard, and different KYC partners are working here in the behind, where you have to do KYC and get your physical or virtual card. Apart from the B2C part, we are offering B2B here also, like the co-branded cards for multiple vendors, those who want to come up with their cards for their communities. Here is the opportunity to get the co-branded cards in different way. So it's a card basically when you use in 143 plus countries, and you can easily convert your crypto assets directly to card. The beauty of this platform NordPay is like it's a dApp browser basically. You don't need any app specifically, whether you are on Android or you are on like iOS. You just need a link and you can open in any dApp browser. Just connect MetaMask wallet and get your assets immediately. After the KYC, just fulfill the norms and you are able to encash your assets in max 20 seconds. So the focus of specifically like why ecosystem product are really important. We feel like between the Web 2 and Web 3 there are gaps, and we are here to that make a bridge, increase Web 3 acceptance. As we know, a day by day, a couple of players are in the market, and payment is really important stack in this Web 3, supporting CBDCs. Multiple organization, multiple countries are in favor of CBDCs, and some are not. But yeah, the opportunity is to encash like how payments will be a main important part in upcoming years. So major blockchains and interoperability will definitely play an important role. As I spoke a few words for Game Hub, it will be a play store for Web3 games. X Infinity and couple of games have remarkable journey and remarkable records. Couple of thousands of users, thousands of investment already has been infused. So opportunity is there where Web3 gaming specifically like triple E shooter games and different games are in the market. Definitely it's grow, and it will help specifically to a shape drift for Web 2 to Web 3, where we believe that this game hub is not only support to just put your game in a Web 3 game where a couple of players will play. No, we will support like multiple through infrastructure actually support, and yes, we have a blockchain layer 2 which definitely supports in terms of interoperability, plus the gas fee is the main concern. So a couple of stats definitely will attract the gamers across the globe, because only Southeast Asia is covering 52% of gaming revenue. We believe single sign authority like a different tab browser, and one of the finest is like in built the payment stack SDK, Nordek stack. So users have an ease of things to convert their assets to directly to their bank accounts and cards. We are coming up with the IBM facility later on in next roadmap. One of the product which definitely I will try to say it's a rover finance. It's definitely creating a landscape in payrolling and invoicing. So let's assume I am a client, and he's he wants to pay in Australian dollar, but I'm an Indian. I want to receive in my INR, and he have a crypto, Ethereum, whatever he wants. So with a couple of OTC partners, this will solving this bookkeeping house like invoicing, salary processing, and one of the best feature is coming in next quarter is streaming. So you can use your favorite payment method, and the next person if want to receive in his favorite payment method, he can receive the currencies across the globe. Automated recurring payments, real-time financial tracking, quick withdrawal, cheapest rates, 100% KYC compliance, and all these features are available. This product is live, and you can explore and share, feedback. We are here to listen the collaborations also. 140 plus countries, the OTC partners are live with us, so it solve a lot of problem for KOLs, different institutes and organizations for their payrolling, invoicing, and bookkeeping. I believe education is the only key to go for longer run, because if we are here and we specifically in this industry as in this digital assets, if we have a proper knowledge, definitely I believe we can empower a couple of young entrepreneurs. We believe in fueling future innovators. So Nordek Genesis program is here. We have covered almost 20 plus colleges and 4 city roadshow we have done. There are more than 900 plus smart contract has been deployed by students, and it was a really wonderful experience between them. Like, and we feel like it's like a charge basically. So 2600 plus shortlist developer attendees. Among these, the college students, we have a couple of dApps those are ready to build on Nordek blockchain, and we are really excited to feel their energies. Recently, we have announced a $10 billion grant by Initiate a Nordek Innovator Grants Program. It was covered in a couple of media like Coin Telegraph and Bitcoin News and Money Control. You can just have a look to that. So it shows like if you have an idea, we are here to help you. We are here to mature your thoughts. We are here to help in terms of validate it. So Kickstarter program, scale program, cross-platform products onboarding. Different methods are here where our team are specially will take care of your thoughts. So benefits of this Nordek Innovate are like you have any early ideas, exclusive launchpad as we spoke. We have a successful journey where a product raised 1.5 million US dollar. Exclusive launchpad for product launch. We are here to help you on the launchpad where we can promote in such a way, do extensive marketing where community will feel, yeah, but what exactly the problems you are solving in this industry. Early movers advantage. We are here to nourish your ideas. Okay, either it's an MVP or you just have an idea. We are here to listen and will definitely support in terms of the idea support. Almost zero gas fee is the key where initially a couple of users and a specific MSME and these community will get benefit. Technical support, centralized exchange listing, as we are coming up with one of the biggest and best centralized exchange in first quarter of 2024. So definitely it will help to the new ideas to encash a different community which will mature their products and like interoperability and different things will help to encash different communities. So we are here with the two booths in Nordek, and we are really welcome for the feedbacks and thoughts if you guys have. Happy to see you here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.